So in today's video, we are going to be showing you how to make the popular African grilled meat, suya.
Suya is believed to have originated from the Hausa people in the northern part of Nigeria, but it is now popular all over Nigeria and most part of West Africa. In today's video, a very experienced young man who have been into this suya making business for nothing less than 15 years is going to teach us how to make this special African grilled meat.
You are eating confirmed suya.
Oh God, okay, you can see this one.
I start at the age of 15 years. But we have certain power. I am the manager of this intestine for this week. We are killing more than 800,000 cows
Per day?
Out of my curiosity, I took a trip to Akure local government in Oyo State where I found this Hausa community. I didn't stop there, I decided to explore further and then I found this hardworking young man making suya for a living. Interesting, right? And what is even more interesting is how he has managed to turn it into a big flourishing business. So I decided to spend the whole day with him while learning how to make suya.
My name is Mahazo Usman.
So what are we making here?
We are making it to do suya.
Okay.
But there are different type of meat for doing suya.
Okay.
We are having correct meat for here. We are killing more than 800,000 cows,
Wow.
900,000 cows, 700,000 cows
Per day?
per day. We are killing them. Because we are not killing small cows. There are some cows, they will have week before coming here. So when you use it to do suya, it can never get taste like our home suya.
But this one now is
This
good.
cow now is 850,000. We buy it for market today.
Okay.
All this place you are seeing is one laps.
One lap.
Day for on this.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow, it's very big.
it's very big.
So what they go do now? They will cut it small.
We are going to cut it small suya and the people that are buying it for eating.
Okay, you still say.
We still sell like 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
Okay. So how long have you been doing this business?
This is my father that stand away. My father is more than 50 years on this work. But me, I start at the age of 15 years.
Wow.
I'm now 33 years now.
Wow.
I don't be 18 years on this work now.
That means you don't study the business very
I don't
well.
sabi. They born me in this business. I start on this business. When you want to do suya, you first of all fry the fire. The fire when you burn the net you want to use to do suya. When the net is very hot, you go clean the net. When you clean the net, you go fry the meat. You go slice the meat. You go carry it on the top of. You go find maggi, something star, salt, and some ingredients like pepper and some ingredients. You go fry it. You go mix it. When you mix it, you go start when the meat is on the top of the. When the meat is on the top of the fire, or like something like 10 minutes, you will come and put
Groundnut oil.
groundnut oil. You will put groundnut oil. You will put some the ingredients on the top of it.
Okay, and we are going to do all that today.
Yes.
So we are
Some will
going to
carry
learn.
the meat to some areas in this Akure local government, not anywhere. All this meat is from Akure local government.
Okay.
Every morning, Mazu goes to the market to buy the cow he used in making suya for the day. And after killing and preparing the cow, he brings them to the spot where he sold for the day. There he shares the meat among the people that came to buy and some of his workers, who will actually take the meat to other parts of the local government to sell.
So this one now your own.
Yes,
Okay.
it's mine, and all that one is mine.
Huh?
I don't sell the arms.
the other ones.
I don't sell the 2 arms for the market.
Okay.
Yes. This one is half of a cow. Is the 2 laps
Okay.
they brought here.
Okay.
According to Mazu, he is no longer in charge of making suya since he now have many people working with him. So he pays more attention to selling the cow meat. So this is one of his workers and he is going to take us through the whole process of making the suya today. So right now he's trying to make sure that the local grill they will be using for the day is all clean, like his boss told us earlier today when he was explaining how they make suya. First of all, he dusted it with the broom and then he went ahead to use this kitchen cloth, to clean it further to make sure that he have removed the whole dirt. When he was done, he started placing the already sliced meat on the grill one after the other.
So which part of the cow now the sweet pass? Use
Sweet
as
pass?
suya. Yes.
Now laps meat, sweet pass.
Okay, for
Hams,
suya.
yes, laps.
Okay. So between this one now and sheep, which one the sweet pass? So sheep. Sweet.
You know say sweet sheep
Yeah.
get fats more than cow.
Okay.
That's why some people do not like sheep meat.
Okay.
But the person that go like fat, no problem if he eats sheep too. But all the two just depend on the person that go do the suya.
Oh yeah, the person sabi do am.
It depend on the perfect thing of the person that sabi do the suya.
You understand English? No. Okay, small. So right now we are starting the whole process of making the suya.
Alright, communicating here was a little bit difficult, so I had to go look for an interpreter. But then while I was at it, he went ahead to get ready the things he will be using to grill the suya meat, like the groundnut oil and everything. The first thing he actually added to the meat was groundnut oil.
So why they add oil? Like why is he adding oil on the suya? Sorry. Okay, the oil will make it to be soft. Okay. Then why did he cut it like small? Is he cutting it small so that the thing will get okay. 500, 1,000. Okay, according to the price. Okay. Another question I have, like this fire now, why you no put them on that? Okay, they don't want it to burn. Okay. The suya spice. Wetin they use mix am? Wetin dey inside am?
That's what na hada yanzu son nake sai ɗaya zan da magi star da magi star da magi hori mu ɗaya ne
Magi, this
Okay, yeah, all those white
sai mu
ones.
ɗaya ne sai da gishiri sai mu ɗan haure sai mu ɗan barbada
Okay, that's all. Oh wow.
sannan shi fefe nan muka sa sai mu aje sai mu yanka masa sannan mu sai mu sa fefe don kwatar da albasa.
Okay. But as it is now, you never add anything on top.
Yes, now.
Okay.
Yanzu ban sa kuma ban san nake sai ya dauki zahi ya kama jiki ne.
They will add something. Okay. So you will leave am for how many minutes?
Minti goma.
30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. Oh. So it will be ready in 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow. So fast. Are you using this for suya too?
Yes.
Okay. So, but you're selling it?
Yes, for food seller. And if you want buy them to enjoy, and there is people where there is to buy them to do suya.
Okay.
This intestine.
So this one, so they sweet for suya, so?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, sure. Me, I am the manager of this intestine for this week.
Okay.
Yes. But we have people where there is to buy meat and intestine. If you need intestine to do suya, I'm the one I'm going to sell it for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Una self transfer?
No, we need cash
Ah, only cash.
because the where they used to sell the cow for us, they need to collect transfer.
Okay.
That's
wow.
why.
That won't be a problem now to get cash. Oh, no problem.
Okay.
For one buy, but as na cash, no carry cash na only transfer. Is it only here that they are selling, or if someone wants to? Okay, it's a branch. Okay, they have others selling for them outside. If someone is doing a party and wants them to come and make suya, would they go?
Yes, they will go now.
Okay.
They will go and they will charge you the amount that they are collecting.
Okay.
They will say that it's so amount, because it's when they will look at the meat. Is it a lot of cow, or they have already small one, and then they will charge you.
Okay.
Yes.
So right now he's adding the suya
He's adding
spice.
the spice.
Okay, already mixed suya spice. Wow. Okay, so do you people like leave a number? Like, let's say someone watching this video now wants.
Yes, we have number now. We have number. We have the chairman, the Serkim Power.
Okay.
Serkim Power. We have my friend. It's my friend of mine. Well, his name is called Maaz. Yes. You can call his number, and at any time you can give you the guy that will come and prepare it for you.
Okay.
At any time, at any moment.
Okay.
Whether in the night, in the afternoon. So that's
okay. That means we can actually get his number.
We have his number here. If you want to let to give his number.
And you can call it for us. Just call the number. Do you have the number now?
About the number game 10 because you know hotline goes then. Oh yeah, the number is here.
Okay.
Let me call the number for you.
All right. So anyone that wants to,
we have 080 67 39 21 98. Maaz.
What?
Maaz.
Okay, Maaz.
M-U double. Can you spell it or let me spell it for you?
M-U
double A-Z.
Z. That's it.
No, Z-U.
Okay.
Wait. You can call it at any time.
Okay.
It's available. It's the hotline.
All right. Okay. So after adding this,
they will turn it. They will turn it, and another side they will put the salt. And it will, maybe you should wait, and when it is done, they will cut it. You test it.
Okay. All right. Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Wow. Thank you. Let's not take your time so that you go.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, look at the way your girl is sweating already. We actually forced filming for them to go and pray. Right now they are done praying. So yeah, we want to continue filming. Oh my God, this place is so good. Anyway, now it's time to go back to work.
Look.
So why is he adding oil to the newspaper, on the newspaper? Okay.
Wannan masallacin ayi sallah. You are eating confirm suya.
Okay. Okay, now
Please
enjoy
tester.
it. Okay. Okay, you test some, Abi.
Say that the blood is dry
Okay.
and the water it will be come
Okay.
together and it will just together.
Okay, you know that it's done. Okay, and the meat will be very soft.
And the minute it will be very soft when it's swallowed.
Very sweet. So what about the suya spice? How you go take notes? Okay, this one don't do. This one is
Now
okay.
it's when it's already to put it.
Okay.
Maybe you are saying this.
You know the test time.
But this is job now.
Okay, he's used to it.
10 years.
15 years. Yes.
You know you will become master.
Yes, you go sabi the job well. So you guys, right now the suya is ready. Like I tested it and it was so delicious. Like it tasted so good. And from what you said, I was actually asking them how did they know? You know, everything seemed to be so perfect. The salt, the pepper, the maggi, everything was just so perfect. Like, and it left me wondering, like, how were they able to know that okay, the pepper is okay, this one is okay, this one is okay? And they said it is like it's because they've been doing this job for a very long time, which of course I understand that very well because they practice least perfection. That is actually the oh God, okay, he gave me this one. So he gave me this one. I would have actually loved to share it with you, but unfortunately you are not here with me, so you will not be able to share this with me. Like this tastes so good.
Shortly after that, a lot of customers started coming to buy, so now it is time to make some sales. But then your girl was just so busy enjoying her suya sha. Like you guys, this suya made a lot of sense. Like so delicious, like so yummy.
The suya spice is okay. Like it's not so spicy, and I like it. This is how much? 1,000? 2,000. Okay. Okay, they will put onions.
Some people pay fresh tomatoes.
Okay. But it's not adding all those, it's just going to add onions.
The nama, the suya, we have two types of suya. There's one that they're putting steak.
Oh my god, so you guys, it's been such a long day and this is the suya that we got. I was even surprised that they agreed to accept transfer from us because a lot of people around here does not accept transfer, but they actually accepted transfer. Like this is 2,000 naira. This suya here is 2,000 naira. Like in fact, you guys, I tested the suya. It was so delicious, like so sweet. I could not resist it, so I had to buy. Yeah, that is it about this particular vlog. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please let me know in the comment section. If I should film more videos like this, just let me know, okay? And your girl will be at your service. Like, what else am I doing here if not being at your service? So do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to share this video and leave a nice comment, okay? I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Lost in the mud because of suya. The suya is so yummy.